friends, welcome to Tech Touch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Microsoft Store error code 0x00000190 in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you facing this error, I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, check your time and date correctly set or not. Then check your internet connection also. Then go to the second method. Search here WS reset. You can see here WS reset. Double click on WS reset. Wait for some time. Then close this. Go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Click on S. Then type here sfc space / scan now. Wait for 100%. After complete the 100%, close this window, restart your PC, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.